Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I me say attack. Zin? Some people, a lot of people been asking, say NEWLINK, how comes you don't talk about this incident or NEWLINK any information pertaining to the incident that happened over there in New York where 3 Jamaican family was found dead inside of a house. Basically, they was murdered, my people, but at the time of finding them, my people, them are decomposed, you understand? So basically, them did it like for over 2 days before they was discovered, my viewers and subscribers. Very sad situation. Very sad, my people. Zin, so the age of these 3 victims are 55, 36 and 22, which the 22 years old is the youngest one, who is the female, my people, who is suspected to be the aunt, the niece of the aunt, who is 55 years old. And for the 55-year-old lady, she is the mother of the 36-year-old victim, and the 22-year-old one and the 36-year-old male victim would have become cousins. So it's all family members. But what they are theorizing and said, my people, the main target of this was the 22-year-old female. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. See? So I want to give you the full information now, people, pertaining to this and every information I gather and everything. Because what I did, my viewers and subscribers, I didn't just see this article or see story and just come and talk about it. I do a lot of research before, because I say NEWLINK, but definitely want to get the pinpoint of this more. My viewers and subscribers, them understand the fullest of this before me evil. You know what I mean? Just come talk about 3 Jamaican, because I know there, when I say something like this, my people, there is something behind it and it easily can solve. You understand? And this in a USA, you understand? This is in New York, my people. So I know say it can easily solve. Zin? So I'm going to read this article a little, my people. Yeah, I'm going to read this article because I'm wanting to get the full understanding when I come off and when I start talk certain pinpoint stuff. So I'm going to read this article, then the attacking boss going to drop in the pinpoint stuff them and the information them when we gather and get so have a brief understanding. But first of all, I want to send out my deepest condolences to these victims' family and everyone who know them and come across them, neighbors and everybody who are mourning the loss of them, people. Because based on every information when we get, they must say these people were good people. You understand? They weren't problem people, they were good people. So let me read this thing. There's a murder mystery in Queens where police discovered 3 bodies inside a house in South Jamaica. As news, Jessica Moore reported Monday, we are learning that 2 of the people may have been unintended victims. There was a flurry of police activity outside the home on 155th Street on Friday night after a 911 call about an unconscious woman inside. Police came. First, they find 1 dead body. Then when they searched the house, they find 2 dead bodies in the basement, said neighbor Zaman Asim. Police found 22-year-old Varshana Malcolm in an upstairs bedroom bound with an electrical cord and duct tape with stab wounds to her chest and neck. In the basement, police found Malcolm's aunt Carleen Barnett and her cousin Devon Brightly, both with multiple stab wounds. Police say all the victims had been dead for at least 48 hours by the time they were discovered. It is unbelievable. Unbelievable. I can't imagine something like that happening to the family, said neighbor Eric Ferrier. It is sad situation, very sad. People have to lose their life like that for nothing. This case has stumped police from the beginning. They originally though thought it was a murder-suicide, but quickly ruled that out. Over the weekend, police took a man in for questioning, thinking they may have found their suspect, but later released him, saying he had nothing to do with the 3 murders. Stunned neighbors say they are terrified and heartbroken. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Zin, some viewers and subscribers. Basically, the main target, where the police listed, my people, is the 22-year-old female. She is the main target. So, the other 2 persons, them now, my viewers and subscribers, sadly, just managed to get caught up in a situation where they were at a spot, basically, at the place, or turn up at a place at the wrong time when a wicked, evil, and cruel sin thing about to strike my viewers and subscribers. See? So, basically now, The police comes about my people. Them get the call. Them found the female. You understand? Boom, boom, upstairs. Lifeless, my viewers and subscribers. Card around neck, duct tape, mount, taboons and them something there. When them comes about my search, because they are smelling stuff now, my people. Remember, enough for over 48 days, body start decompose, start decay and them something. They understand, my people. So they make a search in the basement. They found the other 2 victims, which mother and son. Sadly, my people. See? But let me gather this and when me telling you what I go on now, my viewers and subscribers. Basically, 22-year-old, yes, certainly. She was the main target, my people. So she have an ex. Yeah, man, you know that ex something they got. Not the first time we have seen where Jamaican female lose their life with them ex something, my people. She have an ex who is a stalker, my people. Who is trouble, who is problem. All a man for she. And this ex now, my people, is a man who do time and serve in the army and thing. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So he is now wanted by the police right now because the police list him as the main person of interest right now pertaining to this. So what this ex managed to do, my people, him go to the house, you understand, at the time when him go there, my people, the cousin that are the 36-year-old man and his mother, the 55-year-old lady, they weren't at the premises at the time. You understand, my people? So him go there now, caught up in the whole thing, my viewers and subscribers, where he managed to do this to the female. You understand? Him tie up her, do him do my people, knife up on them, something, my people. You understand? Yeah, man, and tie whatever him do cruelest. Sadly, my people, him ear car pull up, so him knows so that at the person them come over, door and knock them there at the door, my people. They manage to pull door, come inside, my people. Him already plan him do my people. He's a man who train and know how to do things. So people, you understand, him know how to attack. So him first attack where him go attack now, my viewers and subscribers, is the male who is 36-year-old. You understand? Then when him attack the male with him, because him hide already, you know, my people. He hide already. You get what I'm saying? And him know say, if he never attack the male first, there would be a tussle, there would be a fight, people, because this man is a Jamaican man. He's not a nerdy Jamaican man, people. He's a Jamaican man who is not same a bad person as a thugs who do things, but meaning say, I'm a gangster. You understand, man, like a full Jamaican. I mean, not this the Jamaican and say, no, we're full, but I'm just saying, people, he's a gangster. So he's a man who put up and stand up and defend him family. So what this same thing, my people, he attack Zane, the Jamaican, the male first, people. Then after him do that and cut down the Jamaican, him go for the mother, because mother starts screaming. Him don't know, say, face identified everything, so him can't left no one alive, people, because him no want them give away more. You understand? So this is how it work out, people. This is how the sin thing strike. So the police, them manage, yeah, at the first, them arrest somebody, people, and later, them just quickly have to release him, because them look, this person have nothing to do with viewers and subscribers. Then after checks, after search of people, they do found the person who them really want. You understand? Who them knows you him at the target, my people. Yes, found out, say, yes, this is the person, but still, them don't have this person in custody. So this person maybe somewhere over there in a New York, maybe they in some other state, roaming the place or whatever do, my people. But I just want you all to know, so this is the same thing, my people. You understand? It's the same thing where police want right now, who wickedly, you understand, cruelly, my people, take out this female life, 22 years old, my people. You understand? All because of what? They were together. She decided to say what she finished. You understand? She don't want to be with him no more. What? He's assaulting her, beating her up and thing, do him feel like, my people. She managed to take herself away. You get what I'm saying? And he managed to find himself, my people. And this is what he did, my people. Wicked and cruel and a straight attack for it. Anyway, them viewers and subscribers, anyway, they, and they managed to check out 3 family members' life, my people. Good family. You understand? Everyone over there in this place, of people in New York, over in Queens, who know this family, neighbor, even Indian neighbors, Indian people are saying that, yo, they cannot believe this really happened, because they know these people as very humble people. You understand? Great family, and them know them as no bad person, my people. But as I'm telling them, my people, you know, it's just sad. It really sad, because the same thing coming as me showing them people. Him strike. Him doing what for do, my people already. You get what me I say? Him bone up the local, the female, him tie up her with electrical cord around neck and something, people tape up mouth, all of this, my people. You see, the other family, remember them now, they were out or something, people, them just manage to turn up, but now at the time when him present, him know say whatever happen, people, him can't get away once and none of these family, you understand? Them don't know about him problem, him troubles already. Them don't know say the 22-year-old was complaining about her. She don't feel safe about him, people. You understand? Based on the threats where him do and how him stay on him aggressiveness and everything, my people. And see that he did strike. He strike. You understand? He strike, my people. And I'm telling my viewers and subscribers, yo, As man don't have to be strong. Man only need to be strong. And a lot of we man out there, man, we are talking for man right now. Honestly, you know, we understand how you go with tough and with this and with that, but when we one look at thing we are woman do, you know, he hurt us so much, but sometimes we just not think about the amount of things that we do. Woman too, you know, we are not perfect. We know we have cruel lampile out, the wicked lampile, vicious, but still yet, whatever these lampile may do, I don't think the answer is for we to take out their 3 points. You know, me not think so. We all been through it, we all go through things in, and if any one of us as male manage to be in the position where we are going to do this to female, yo, a straight attack for uno. Straight attack, just like for this piece of sin thing now, who me a warm the street, I walk the street, people, like, him train my people. So as me tell my people, he is the main suspect. He is the one the police want. You understand? A trouble X, a stalker one, a problem one, a demonic one, my people. And see there, Jaja sees, Jaja knows the people. 3 life gone. 3 life gone. So them say Saturday comment, my viewers and subscribers will be the candlelight over there. You understand? For these 3 family members, these 3 victims who sadly lost their life for people. And sometimes too, you know, my people, for a lot of female out there, you know, me in a relationship, you know, get one and you get this one, you know, take heed until things do happen where, you know, and only just sees and he knows, man. It's sad, my people. I feel it, you know, really sad. So, my viewers and subscribers, I just want to say big up on yourself, man. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and the comments, them, my people. And just go and stay safe, my people, and just go and do the right thing, you understand? And just trust in the Almighty, my people. Put him first before anything else, you understand? Because the Almighty is real, and just look out for the demons, my people. And for that wicked sin thing, man, I just pray and hope they might find us still in a quick and soon, you understand? And you will be brought to justice, you understand? How we get the penalty, because this is America, this is not Jamaica, this is not some other country. This is America we are dealing with. But 3 one time, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But people, please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. Love you all. Blessings. Attack.